New arrival this morning, Land Rover Defender 90 3-litre D250 SE. The SE gives you full leather, meridian speaker, memory seats, heated seats, surround camera. But then on top of it, how well does this car look? It's in Eiger grey, it's got bonnet decal, it's got full wide arch kit, it's all been colour coded, so your black badging, the inserts, the undersections are all in gloss black. The wide arches just gives you that big presence. It's then sat on 22s as well, so you've got the gloss black 22s, it's got the blue calipers, it's got the side air intake, it's got mud flaps, it's got side steps, it's got privacy. And then as we move round the rear, you've got the checkered on the rear, you've got the gloss black spare wheels, so it just sits and looks great. And then the rear bumper is all colour coded. There's other cars for sale, the same price, just what I would class as basic, boring looking Defenders. That car's got thousands of pounds worth of extras. Them wheels are £3,000. The way it looks, the wide arch kit, the colour, the Eiger grey, the black style and the bonnet decal, they're all extras. Inside, you've got keyless entry with it being an SE. You've got blind spot monitoring on there. You've got memory seats, full leather, cruise control, interactive digital cockpit in the centre there. Extra clear sight camera. Again, you don't get that on an SE. And then the big one, tilting sliding sunroof. You do not get a sunroof on an SE as standard. Centre armrest. Then you've got all your standard features, what I would class as. So you've got heated seats in the front, driver and passenger. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay. You've got your surround camera system. And then you've got your navigation, your Bluetooth, your multimedia, Alexa, all your apps, front and rear screens, all your different charging points. But I just think for just over £50,000, this car, it looks superb. The sunroof, the clear sight. Outside, it looks tremendous, doesn't it? The grey with the way it's been spec'd. I'll show you in the boot as well. Little leather protector there for the boot. Them seats drop down if you need more boot space or you need to put anything in. Split folding. So that car, with this video, will go live and it'll sell because someone will look at it and think, what a good looking car that is. See that it's priced right, see that it's got the spec. It's going live on the website. If you've got any more questions, the number's on the bottom of the screen. You can call me direct.